Russia's successful mission, a Su-27 fighter jet similar to the US F-15 can take down the American MQ-9 Reaper drone. In 1969, the Soviet Union discovered that the USAF was working on the FX program, eventually producing the F-15. The Soviet leadership recognized the need to act quickly to counter the new threat from American combat aircraft and undertook a program to develop combat aircraft with good agility and advanced systems. The aerodynamic design for the new aircraft was mainly carried out by the Central Aerohydrodynamics Institute, Central NYY Aerogidrodynamikiski or TSAGI, in collaboration with the Sukhoi Design Bureau. The effort was further supported by classified American technology obtained by Soviet intelligence. In the early 1980s, our intelligence agents somehow got hold of the blueprints for the F-15 Eagle, designed by McDonnell Douglas, and showed them to the Sukhoi Design Bureau. Soviet engineers used it to manufacture the first prototypes of the new fighter. TASS News military agency analyst Viktor Litovkin told Russia Beyond. However, according to Litovkin, the intelligence data obtained is incomplete. As a result, the F-15 model lacked the aircraft's true supersonic speed and aerodynamic performance. In the end, it was decided to merge the model with 1970s Soviet technology, and in 1981 the first T-10S took to the air, which became known as the Su-27, said Litovkin as quoted by the Eurasian Times, Monday, March 20, 2023. Litovkin also noted that all subsequent models designed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau were based on the Su-27, which includes all the advanced Sukhoi models currently in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, such as the Su-30, Su-34, Su-35, Su-57, and others. The Sukhoi Su-27 is a twin-engine supermaneuverable fighter aircraft designed primarily for air superiority. However, later variants of the aircraft can perform all types of air warfare operations. Military Combat News newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the UK and around the world. Be a loyal subscriber of Military Battle News and press the bell to be first on our news.